Welcome to IFI Car Review. Today I'll be reviewing Honda CRZ Sports Hybrid. Now the word sports here doesn't necessarily mean that it is a performance machine or something like that. CRZ is basically fusion of two different characters in one, with exterior styling of late 80s Honda CRX and hybrid power plant from Honda Insight of current century. This car was created with the basic concept in mind that it is fun to drive. Honda's smart engineering team drew inspiration from the performance abilities of Lotus Elise, and they wanted the handling of the sports coupe to be on par with Mini Cooper. At the same time, Volkswagen Scirocco was used as a benchmarking for the levels of cabin comfort. Underneath the skin, it is a hybrid fuel-efficient vehicle, and it gives people an opportunity to opt for something different in contrast to traditional hybrid styling commonly seen on the road today. It has sporty styling with great fuel economy as well as the practicality of a hatchback. The philosophy of exterior design takes a lot of cues from the old Honda CRX 90. Like the CRX, the CRZ has fine sports styling, two doors, and it's a two-seater vehicle. It has 16-inch alloy wheels. On the rear, it has a split window design with integrated third brake lamp. Overall, it is a very attractive looking car, and it is hard to deny the fact that it looks like a fun car to drive. Overall body length is 160.6 inches, width is 68.5 inches, height is 54.9 inches with a wheelbase of 95.9 inches. Now the interior. It has semi-leather interior, power windows, chrome handles, aluminium pedals, leather-wrapped steering wheel with tilt and telescopic adjustment. Driver seat has fully manual adjustment with height adjustment as well. It has pretty decent amount of controls in the steering wheel. It has radio controls, cruise controls, hands-free phone control as well as voice control, as well as integrated driver information system that shows up here. Overall, inside the CRZ has very distinctive cabin of any car. Overall, the ergonomics are pretty well, but I would have to say that the dash looks very busy. There are so many gauges and indicators telling you different things such as battery meter, charging and resistance gauges, etc. Overall, it is feeding a lot of information, but hybrid cars are like that normally. They generally keep you in loop what's going on with all the power sources, etc. It has CVT gearbox with pedal shifter simulating gears. These gauges changes colors according to the selected driving mode. It would be green when you are driving in economy mode, it turns into blue in normal mode, and it switches to red when in sports mode. There is generous amount of storage compartments inside here. A 12-volt power outlet, two cup holders, a decent sized glove box, bins and cubbies in the doors. Standard equipment is generous too. Digital climate controls is standard across all ranges. Very simple touch system and easy to use. There are two seats in the rear, but getting in and out of them is not easy. Headroom and leg space are limited, and the seats appear to be a joke. Instead of a 4-seater, you can call it a practical 2-seater. Now let us start with the amount of space in the rear. It has pretty decent amount of storage in the rear. It's so shallow because there are batteries underneath. Obviously it can be extended when you fold down the rear seats. The CR-Z is powered by a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder I-VTEC single overhead cam engine with Honda's integrated motor assist hybrid electric system. It is offered with a 6-speed manual transmission and a continuously variable transmission. The system delivers a combined peak output of 122 brake horsepower at 6,000 RPM and 128 foot-pounds of torque for a manual transmission, and 123 foot-pounds of torque on CVT equipped models. It reaches 0 to 100 in 10 seconds with a quarter mile in 17.6 seconds. It delivers fuel economy of 12.4 km per liter and 14.8 km per liter city and highway respectively. Now let us start her up. Virtually silent. It has a rev limiter at 4,500 RPM. Seating position is great. You sit nice and low and you feel part of the action. The steering wheel feels very light and it's sharp, and the car does handle very well. Suspension is firm with very little body roll, but it gives you very good feel going around the corners. It's confidence inspiring, I would have to say that. Despite being a hybrid vehicle, its primary power source is the gasoline engine, and unlike other hybrid vehicles, its engine is always running. The electric motor actually assists to provide extra power for improved efficiency. Very nice blend of modern hybrid technology without sacrificing the joy of driving. CR-Z has 3 different dynamic driving modes depending on your driving style at any given time. Economy is meant for fuel saving and it is for most economical driving characteristics. Normal improves the performance slightly and the handling. And my personal favorite is this sports mode. That makes it alive and increase the fun. Sports mode gives you the maximum performance and handling out of a vehicle. The gauges become angry and there is a noticeable difference as the suspension becomes stiffer and the car begs you to drive fast. But many would prefer this dial to be green as to see the environment green. With 0 to 100 in 10 seconds, it is not a fast car on the market, but it's fairly agile for what it is. The engine is responsive, it revs keenly, gear change is very slick. Normally hybrid cars are not fun to drive, but Honda has built this CR-Z as a proof. Honda claims fuel consumption of 23 km per liter for this car, but in order to achieve this figure, you have to be driving it in eco mode at all times. This actually controls the throttle response and improves the fuel efficiency. Everything has pros and cons. One negative is the visibility through this rear window, and there is no windscreen wiper on that small window. And the second point is that if you have to overtake on a motorway, the car does struggle a lot, and I guess it would have been better if it had that extra 50 horsepower on it. If you are looking for a 2-seater economical, reliable and stylish sports coupe that is great value for money, especially when you consider the technology on board, then Honda CR-Z is one of the best options for you. Thank you for watching us. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please leave a comment and stay tuned for upcoming reviews of new cars.